A journey through time, the global appeal of curry. Throughout history, few dishes have managed to traverse borders and captivate the taste buds of people worldwide as successfully as curry. From its modest beginnings among the Tamils to its expansive reach during the era of European colonization, curry has undergone a captivating culinary journey, solidifying its status as a cherished dish across the globe. Unearthing the origins of curry. The roots of curry, as we know it today, trace back to the Tamils in both the Indian subcontinent and the island of Ceylon. The term curry finds its origins in the Tamil word curry, denoting sauce or relish. The Tamil culinary tradition, steeped in history, boasts a wealth of literature and historical evidence showcasing the early use of curry. The incorporation of spices in Tamil cuisine, influenced by the geographical location and climate, resulted in diverse spice mixtures, laying the foundation for the myriad curry dishes we enjoy today. Curry in ancient civilizations. The historical journey of curry extends to ancient civilizations thriving in the Indian subcontinent, including the island of Ceylon. The Indus Valley Civilization, renowned as one of the world's oldest urban civilizations, exhibited a sophisticated culinary culture that embraced spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric, integral components of curry. The influence of curry spread as Indian civilization engaged with other ancient cultures, including the Persians and Greeks, fostering a cross-cultural exchange. Curry's expedition across continents. The global popularity of curry burgeoned as traders and explorers, like the Arabs and the Portuguese, played pivotal roles in disseminating its flavors worldwide. The Arabs, renowned for their extensive spice trade, introduced curry to the Middle East and North Africa. Simultaneously, the Portuguese, settling in one of the two Tamil habitats, brought chili and diverse vegetables from South America, igniting a curry renaissance. This era, termed post-chili, saw the Portuguese disseminate curry to Europe, Japan, China, Malacca, Thailand, and East Africa, profoundly influencing culinary landscapes. Curry in the British Empire. During the era of the British Empire, the Tamil curry was initially brought to the Bengal region by Robert Clive and his battalion. It then spread throughout the Indian subcontinent as the empire expanded, contributing to the formation of British India. After the Emancipation Act of 1833 and the end of slavery, the British relocated Tamils to various parts of their empire, including Malaysia, Mauritius, South Africa, Guyana, and the Caribbean. This migration led to the integration of Tamil culinary traditions into the local cuisine of these regions. But the irony is that the curry in Britain was introduced by the immigrants from the Bengal area. Just before the independence in 1947, Bengal split into East Bengal and West Bengal. By 1947, the East Bengal became East Pakistan and the West Bengal remained with India. The civil war in the 1970s that led to the creation of Bangladesh resulted in a significant influx of people migrating to the United Kingdom. These immigrants played a pivotal role in reshaping the curry scene, which, during that period, was primarily influenced by black pepper before the era of chili. Simultaneously, immigrants of Indian Gujarati descent from East Africa also arrived in the UK, seizing an opportunity in the market by introducing their version of curry paste. This transition marked a shift from the pre-chili era to the post-chili era in the UK curry landscape. 75% of the Indian curry houses use this curry paste. As a result, while the British were instrumental in spreading curry throughout their empire, the curry culture within the United Kingdom evolved through these secondary channels. The ongoing curry crisis in the UK can be attributed to a lack of historical and geographical knowledge among current participants in the curry industry. This deficiency poses a challenge when attempting to authenticate the dish's origins, highlighting the need for a more comprehensive understanding within the industry. Curry's modern global phenomenon. In contemporary times, curry has transcended cultural boundaries, becoming a global phenomenon embraced by people worldwide. Increased travel, migration, and globalization have propelled curry into international culinary scenes. Today, curry houses worldwide serve diverse regional cuisines, with innovative adaptations and culinary creations. Curry's lasting appeal lies in its remarkable adaptability to diverse palates and dietary preferences. Whether crafted with beef, pork, venison, chicken, lamb, or vegetables, it offers a customizable experience with varying spice levels to suit individual tastes. Whether you crave the fiery kick of a vindaloo or the subtle flavors of a milder korma, there's a curry dish for everyone. For those conscious of their weight, there are also options based on millet, providing a lighter yet equally delightful culinary experience to consider. Health benefits of curry. Beyond its exquisite flavors, curry offers a plethora of health benefits. The spices in curry, such as ginger, garlic, turmeric, cumin, and coriander, boast medicinal properties. Turmeric, containing curcumin, exhibits anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, correlating with a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Curry dishes, often incorporating various vegetables and proteins, contribute to a nutritious diet. As mentioned earlier, the influx of various new vegetables introduced by Europeans, notably the Portuguese, played a pivotal role in elevating the popularity of vegetable curries. The diversity of curry dishes. Curry's remarkable diversity unfolds through unique dishes in the two Tamil habitats and adaptations worldwide. From fiery southern Indian curries to North Sri Lanka's aromatic lump-rice, the global curry tapestry reflects a rich amalgamation of cultures and influences. Renowned dishes like Thai curry and Japanese curry showcase regional variations influenced by historical connections. Exploring popular curry recipes. To fully appreciate the kaleidoscope of curry flavors, indulging in popular recipes from diverse cultures is essential. This exploration promises a sensory journey, unveiling an array of tastes and aromas. Conclusion: curry's timeless legacy. Curry's journey from its Tamil origins to global acclaim stands as a testament to its rich history and delectable allure. From ancient civilizations to colonial legacies, curry's ability to adapt and evolve has made it a cherished dish in diverse cultures. Whether relishing a spicy vindaloo or a milder korma, the enduring legacy of curry invites us to savor its flavors and celebrate the culinary masterpiece that transcends time and borders. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.